Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered if you can block PayPal payments? Maybe you no longer want to receive payments or messages from another PayPal user? Well, good news. You absolutely can. And I'm here to show you how. First, let's talk about using the PayPal website. Log into your account and go straight to the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Once you're there, find the Payments tab. Click on it and then look for Manage Pre-Approved Payments. You'll see a list of all your current payment agreements. Find the one you want to block and click on it. There should be an option that says Cancel or Block. Click that, and you're done. Now, let's move on to the mobile app. Open the app and log in. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then, go to Settings and find Payments. Just like on the website, look for Manage Pre-Approved Payments. Here, you'll see the same list of agreements. Tap on the one you want to block and hit Cancel or Block. Easy, right? Blocking payments is a great way to take control of your PayPal account and ensure you're only getting payments you want. Just remember, once you block someone, they won't be able to send you money or messages again. So make sure it's what you really want to do. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care.